You get loose? Here you go. Hi. Here you go, take that to the table.
This is little. Can I be silly?
Ready, Justice? That's great. With the cows. Yeah. You ready to get dressed?
Cows.
We're gonna go help my mother and father-in-law move some cows.
I got their pickup.
All done moving the cows. Nobody got hurt this time.
Kitty.
Snack time.
So now we're up here at our property doing a little bit of work. We're starting the burn pile back up, trying to get this cleaned up a little bit more. Slowly but slowly the pile's gotten smaller and smaller. So anyways, hopefully I get a little bit more burnt today. are you watching?
Football game.
Tennessee. The kids are down at grandparents' house for a nap, and now we are working on putting siding on this wall, this back wall. Well, we made it back to the house, and now we're gonna have some dinner and just chill out the rest of the evening. So,
All right, let's see. Go get in your chair. That's close to black, but that's
It's on it. What's on it?
another busy day. Didn't get much done.
we got a lot done. We finished the siding on the utility room, and we burnt some of the burn pile over there.
We held some cows.
Moved some cows and watched football, and it was a good day. Yeah.
It was. Well, thanks for watching
Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you guys
in the next video.